Trying new things. I love this stuff. Good morning. I've been talking to folks on Elevate Your Performance about the C4 card and the C4 worksheet, which are all systems that help keep people and groups on track when they're trying to solve a problem at work. C4 card was a little thing for individual attention. The C4 worksheet I talked about yesterday was a worksheet for teams, but sometimes teams just need to keep track of a lot more information in order to make a better presentation of their analysis to any decision maker they might need to reach. So I've created this C4 master presentation file, and I want to share it with you real quick and kind of walk through what I've done. There's no magic. It's just something to keep track. I give this to teams. So that they can keep all of their stuff in one place. And then when it's time to make a presentation to somebody, they just hide the files they don't need and show the files or the slides that they do, and they get a good package for the decision maker. So here's what's in this file. I've got space for a team board. This is just the contents. I'll kind of go through these as we go. Team board, a team plan, site information and background information, potential problems list, problem-solving data collection sheet, and baseline data set. Now, this is just the first piece. This is for the concern stage, actually, as we're trying to understand the current situation. So as we go through, I want the teams to have a team board that they can show everybody in the organization the progress they're making on solving a particular problem. Typically, when teams are pulled together, the problem is going to be significant enough to warrant this kind of attention. So let's put the team name up there. Let's actually name the team. Pick a team color to keep things consistent and different from other teams. Who's on this team and what kind of data and charts you're going to keep track of. And then you want to make a Gemba plan. So a plan to go to the workplace and see what's going on. You might have these different kind of things, set times for all these different tasks, assign these different roles within the team. This helps the team get their stuff together and make maximum use of the time that they have available on the shop floor. Provide background information, then go and see with understanding what's actually going to happen. So we got problems, we got value streams, we got problem sets, we got problems, we got root causes. We're going to start with the theme. We're going to drill down through a SIPOC diagram, which means suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers. This is one form. I give them two forms in this, and I'll stick more of these kinds of worksheets through this file as we go. Space for a process map and a little example of what it looks like. Potential problems list. How to think through this problem. The data collection sheet that says what we know, what we need to know, and then a baseline data set. You can put whatever else you want in this thing, because this is what the team's going to use to kind of keep track as they go through. Again, there's no magic about it. So what I like about it is it keeps everything together. I don't have to go searching for a bunch of different things. So as we go through this, we're going to add a section on breaking down the problem. We're going to add a section on cause analysis, and we want to keep track of the different iterations they go through for each of these stages so we can see how the team is developed as we go through. Again, we can hide the things we don't want to show anybody else, but it's still part of the file. We finish with the root cause. We'll have space, a separate file, slide for each of the countermeasures, and then how we did the experiments to evaluate those countermeasures. What's our implementation plan? What's the presentation to the decision maker that lets us say go? All that's in one spot. I hope you find this useful. You should be able to download this for free from my website. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.